Machita namaGrootman 3 players ezihamba eKaizer Chiefs. Xa uyi-football player noba udlala kweyiphi club, if i-contract yakho iyaphela then ise awudlali, i-contract yakho iyaphela mara ise awudlali wena, hayi bye bhuti. Uyasiba isijonga ngoMeyi ngo-contract yaphela ngoJuni. I-team if ekuse uyadlala yenza sure, yenza vroeg bayekuse mfethu uyadlala, contract yakho masilungise into zakho fast jonga kuse-early ngoba iseyintoni ezinye teams zingakwazi ukuthola on a free. Yenza vroeg bayekuse kenzekile uyekuse ngoMeyi se-contract yaphela ngoJuni, hayi bye mfethu uyavaya. I-team ekuse ayinokuyeka kuseyibona uba iseyontsweni uyadlala etimini. So le way ayithathi for uba isejonga ube deep engqondweni ba ukhe jonga ukuze ubone iplayer esevayayo. Kudala salandela ibhola bafethu, sayazi kuseyiplayer xa izovaya kwiclub. So 3 players zama iKaizer Chiefs based on i-contract eziphelayo plus kuse ne-minutes ne-contribution yomuntu etimini azidume. Number 1 sicacile ngomjita ulabe nguranga Chivaviro center forward eKaizer Chiefs. Umjita wasayinwa from iMaromo Gallants ngo-2022. Umjita wafika ine-promise enyani iKaizer Chiefs, wayi-top goal scorer phaka iMaromo Gallants. I think wascora 18 goals umjita ba 16 or 18 goals ngala season. Ngoba ajoin iKaizer Chiefs nansi thola striker but season uzayivaya grand and ibhola injalo. Chivaviro enye into benayo potential Chivaviro. Xa Chivaviro abanye abantu sebakwazi unyamezela i-criticism bafethu. If ekuse umuntu uyamfind amanye abantu kusenye players akwazi unyamezela la way umuntu kuseyangayihoyi la way afocus abe motivated from makaspane even more, which is example entswemp egrand Yusuf Maart. Chivaviro yena akafani character personality. Umjita lo wethatha personal za way yamgwaza yonga la way Chivaviro phela bani attitude nomsindo naye. Ndikhumula kusengathi naye semjita wayi khona celebration wayenzayo ki-fans ba okay ibona. And then iwezange ziphinde zibe grand ne-fans kuseziphinde zicaphukela wes bona iwezi njeyana. And amjita kusena mphinde ngibona ba hayi ayisafuni kwawuba lapha Kaizer Chiefs le. Bona umjita xa ingena kusemjita kanamhla like he's just fucking over it umjita Chivaviro. And then say i-report iphumele kule veki bayisejonga cha base Chivaviro uyavaya. Sho nje announcement official. Cela singalibali usupport i-channel bafethu nje nishaye u-like apha ezantsi okanye nishaye u-subscribe. YouTube akafuna abantu ababukela nje funeka bekhona into oyenzayo bhuti. I-80% abantu bayayincanywa i-channel bayibukela every week but kuse umuntu acofa subscribe okanye kuse alike. Bekhona oyenzayo bhuti ungabukeli nje cofa nje into zabelungu man watch bafethu. Number 2 Tebogo Potsane iplayer ka Molefi Ntseki bafethu. Potsane left winger na 31 ngoku join iKaizer Chiefs from Ilanduzo Maromo Gallants. Ngobekho uMolefi Ntseki apha. Molefi Ntseki une future nomjita, I mean une history nomjita. Zange ndiyothukela signing basipane kakhulu kunye. Waye uNtseki behleli ku-Celtic for ixesha elide Bloemfontein before ichange beMaromo Gallants. Ibe Royal AM I think. Yeah, before be Royal AM. Potsane sesuke Royal AM so ndiyabhuda bafethu. So before Royal AM before Royal AM ngoba ise-Celtic uMolefi wayazi potential kamjita and so uMolefi wabelieve bayisejonga uPotsane wafika be-Grand Kaizer Chiefs but akhange zidumi. Umjita kuse unasi speed amekwazi ubhitha i-players qha isimoko i-tactical awareness. Umjita decision making yakhe ayikho grand and isela way unzima for uba kuse uyenze la way kuse xa usipana kuse ne-coaches ezikwi-top level. Because kuse coaches ezikwi-top level ise ziyathanda uba tactical kuse umjita Opotsane zii-players angakhanga zikhule ku-academy. Zininzi players kusezinjena apha kwiBetway Premiership bafethu. Umuntu akakhulanga adlala ku-academy which is akhange afumane i-tactical education as ibhola as with decision making. Umuntu kuse udlala naturally, English kuthiwa udlala off the cuff. And then ke ngoku ezinye coaches azikwazi usipana namajita nje. Zikhona i-coaches kuse qombo okay zikwazi usebenza nje abasejoza ukunika i-free role yakho. Ba siyajonga khululeka mfethu yenza lewe yakho akho story. Then sikhona ezinye coaches qomba ajonga zi-tactical basejonga zifuna udlale tactically. Potsane kangakwazi and kuseyomjita ingakwazi ukuscore goals ingacreate enough goals and then umjita contract yakhe yaphela and then akuphelile ngayo yavala Kaizer Chiefs. 31-year-old winger Tebogo Potsane. Number 3 controversial lena kusekhona abantu abazoyiphikisa le way kanye sebangafuna uyamkela. Because kuse umjita une technical touch, une touch egrand umjita unayo ne10 bona South Africa sethanda players ekusenza technical ba kusejonga indlela esewumjita athatha ngayo ibhola sendlela holda ngayo ibhola indlela athena ngayo itechnique yakhe yopasa itechnique yakhe yocontrol ibhola siyavele sihlanye hayi nja yalazi bona ibhoza kanti seyibhola iphelelanga bafethu just because kusewune touch itechnique emnandi doesn't mean sewuntsweme ebholeni kanye sezolunga modern football initsi wenzekayo kuse iwork rate yakho i-technical understanding yakho i-discipline yakho commitment yakho ne-work ethic yakho sibalekile zo way more than i-touch yakho bayisejonga umnandi ukhalile ihlwele indlela obamba ngayo ibhola indlela othena ngayo ayisipani lo way iyasipana but it's not enough jo ebholeni ibhola ikusena namhlanje inzima jo i-technical touch ayizukusandawo so ulanuza bafethi kuse uGeorge Mahlow umnandi umjita technical but kuse what else mfethu ngoba kusejonga uzamakwa unye nise azusoloke sewufree usespacing uzawuthini ke ngoku i-small spaces uzawuthi nqa under pressure and kuse you create goals and say players ngoku if midfielder jo noma kunumber 10 awukwazi ucreate qha kunika kuse uscore ne-goals yambona kuse unumber 10 Orlando Pirates ulanduze kuse uTito uyacreate uyascore unumber 10 Sundowns uRibeiro uyacreate uyascore ulanduze kuse uThemba Zwane xa ibuyile phana xa number 10 uyacreate uyascore uGeorge bedlala phana number 10 ulawe Mahlow but kusemvethu uzawuthini usezoza ne-killer pass eyi-1 kanye eziyi-2 imatch yonke then seyiphelela contribution yakho ayisipani kanjalo ibhola bafethu these days nolawe pha khona umuntu bedlala number 10 pha unkosingiphile Ngcobo naye mjita fethu you must score goals mfethu kanye say you must create clear cut opportunities and say if udlala number 10 iwe yakho bayisejonga umnandi xa enyaweni xa ubamba ibhola kusejonga isihlwele indlela othena ngayo indlela opasa ngayo itechnique ayisipani bafethu ifans kusefuneka zirealize lo basejonga ibhola imove on ngo but kusandithi uNgcobo evaya naye because kuse uNgcobo esane contract entsha Kaizer Chiefs last season futhi ninothuka but kuse ezinye players ziyathandwa bafethu not just i-management sekuthandwa nazi fans I mean not just i-fans yathandwa not just i-fans sekuthandwa na i-management but seMahlow contract yakhe yaphela ngoMeyi contract yakhe yaphela ngoJune mfethu uKaizer Motaung abakathi basejonga zwakala George zosign contract yakhe yaphela boy ungakathathwa ezinye club because kuse if kuse uNtswimbi yenza into yakho ezinye club zakudala ziyazithola ba kuse contract yakhe yaphela hayi mfethu zwakala Joe Kaizer Chiefs ayizugcina wena man nansi 3-year contract mfethu is a free deal asuthenga nokuthenga Kaizer Chiefs contract yakho yaphela ayenzeki lo way akho club kusejonga kuthiwa ngathi ufuna umjita nileweni club ayithi basejonga nansi contract entsha so wena uzaniphikisa ngokuthi kusejonga uGeorge yahlala uGeorge wena possibility yakhe uthi sekusenayo lo izenzeka mhlawumbe like luck kuzofika icoach South African mhlawumbe uPitso Mosimane okanye sewuRolani Mokoena Kaizer Chiefs ziyamazi uGeorge nese umuntu yazi bajonga uGeorge udinga ntoni yaqala akusemgcini uGeorge bafethu ngiyamfuna ngisenza umsebenza ngayo uGeorge nike nje kuse enye contract ye6 months okanye unyaka ngizosibana ngandi naye plan especially uRolani ngayenza lokho uRolani uyathanda iplayers kusejonga ezi highly technical and so yaba basejonga le uzoba phezulu kwayo ayisebenze nyenyana base hard work uyakwazi kusofaka ipressure uRolani base iplayer i-technical ine-technical skills umjita but seRolani yakwazi kuse uimprove umjita kuse work rate work ethic player so if kuse mhlambi ngelakhi yakhe ulawe Mahlow uRolani mhlambe kusejona iKaizer Chiefs athi jonga ufuna umgcina umjita osipana ngaye mhlambe noPitso futhi but as things stand bafethu iplayers kusezihamba ngeshop up Kaizer Chiefs 3 uGeorge Mahlow no Tebogo Potsane no Rangatjhe Vaviro nithina bafethu sincola lapha eComment cela ngalibali support channel bafethu ziyushaya ulike okanye kusefe qala channel ushaya subscribe phezantsi mojo